Normally, when we are creating a blog post or newsletter, we always start off in Word. We always have everything laid out the way we want it. We have added our images and good to go. And usually we end up having to, go to our website and add widgets when we're copy and pasting. Well, we're going to bypass all of that. So I have my newsletter here up on the screen. The new way to convert your Microsoft Word document to a web page is navigate to Microsoft 365, click on Apps, All Apps, and look for Sway. Now that Sway has been loaded, notice here, Start from a document. Let's just click on that. Let's choose our document. Let's wait for Sway to work its magic. So notice in the Storyline tab, it has created, I'm going to call them widgets, that here's my header. It has a background here already. If I want to change the text, I just come in here and update my text if I like. Notice that based on your header 1s and 2s in your Word document, it created its own sections. So here we have, our blog posts, an image, and the text card is where your text is filled in, and you'll see that throughout your document. If I scroll back to the top here, if I hit the play button, this is what my blog post will look like. Really nice. If you want to share your document, you can specify who you want to share this information with, copy the actual links where you can give to folks, and there's also more options. If you want to add a password to it to protect your document, you can do that as well. Under settings, you can control the way it looks. If right now we have this default look, if you want this to be horizontal format, you can easily make that change. That's pretty cool. And if you had this format properly, this is not the right format, you can actually make this as a slideshow. Under the more options, if you need to create something new or duplicate this one, you have some templates. Again, I'm not going to cover all of these features here. I will do a separate video on how to use Sway. If you found this information helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Now, go work your magic.